we are describing fourth lesson of geography, agriculture. We are describing food crops other than grains. Now we will describe the climatic condition as well as distribution of oil seeds in India. India is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world. Different type of oil seeds are cultivated in India like groundnut, mustard, coconut, soybean, etc. And these oil seeds are very important for us. What is the importance of oil seeds for us? They are used as edible oil as well as they are used in many industries like soap making, cosmetics and ointment also. And there are so many states which are growing the oil seeds like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Next, we will describe about the tea cultivation. Tea and coffee, these are mainly beverage crops of India. Tea, that is an important beverage crop of India. And in India, tea is introduced by the Britishers. Now, what type of climatic condition required for tea cultivation? Tea that is cultivated mainly on the hill slopes. So, it is grown in those areas which are hilly area. Water should not be standing in the field. It requires more rainfall, but rain should be evenly distributed throughout the year. Mainly, it requires such type of rainfall that should not be heavy, that should be in the form of rain showers. And that rainfall is very useful for the leaves of tea. It requires cheap and skilled labor also. In India, the major tea producing states are Assam, Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri district, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It means there are so many states and places which are famous for tea production in India. Coffee. Coffee is also the beverage crop, but in India, less amount of coffee is produced or grown. Near about India produce 4% of world's coffee production. In India, the good quality coffee is also grown, and that good quality of coffee we have taken from Yemen. That quality of coffee is known as Arabica variety. In India, coffee is grown only in some limited parts. Mainly the major areas and parts are Nilgiri in Karnataka as well as it is grown in Kerala and Tamil Nadu also. India is growing good quality of coffee, so its demand is in international market also. Food crops other than grapes. Now we will describe about the horticulture crops. What do you mean by horticulture crops? Horticulture crops means cultivation of fruits and vegetables. In India, large variety of fruits and vegetables are grown. For example, mangoes. They are grown in large quantity in India and they are grown in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, UP and West Bengal. In the same way, other fruits like oranges, they are grown in Nagpur and Cherrapunji. Bananas, they are mainly cultivated in South India. Lychee and guava mainly cultivated in UP. So we can say that there are so many fruits which are grown in different parts of India, and India is the largest producer of mangoes in the world. India produces near about 13% of world's vegetable also.